Welcome to the fourth and final video in the Clockstar coding series. Your Clockstar is equipped with a built-in gyroscope. To dive deeper into the world of gyroscopes, explore the rest of our guides. In this video, we'll learn how to display the gyroscope's data on the screen. To start with this, we'll need two functions. The first one will get the data from the gyroscope, and the second one will display the data on the screen. Let's start with retrieving the gyroscope data. You can create a function and name it fetch gyro data. Create the x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis variables that get the acceleration data along the particular axis. Now find these blocks in the gyroscope blocks section, which will provide us with the angular velocity measured by the gyroscope. These values will show us the direction in which our Clockstar moves. The next three variables we need to create are the x rotation speed, y rotation speed, and the z rotation speed. These variables get the speed data around the particular axis. Find these blocks in the gyroscope blocks section. After executing this function, the variables will hold the latest gyroscope data, which will then be used to display the gyroscope data on the screen. Now create the drawInfo function that will be used to display the gyroscope data on the screen. To begin, we will set the display to black. Now we'll use the combination of display and text blocks to write this data on the screen. You can find this block in the display block section. We'll set the coordinates to 2 and 5 and the text color to white. Next, you can take the create text block and drop it here. The text we want to write is x-axis along with its data. For that, we'll use the x-axis variable. Repeat this step for each variable, both acceleration and rotation ones. We change the y coordinates to ensure that text appears one below the other. Don't forget the push frame block to ensure this appears on the screen. In the end, add the loop forever block and put the functions we made within it, ensuring that our gyroscope data is constantly updated and displayed on the screen. Click on the Run button and check the data showing on the screen.